Hi. Hello family members and welcome back to my channel.
Let's go.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Nice.
Another one. Another one. And another one.
What's that? What's that, brother?
Talo!
Next. Do it! Just do it!
The fuck you say to me, you little shit? My disappointment is immeasurable.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Wow!
Bit spicy.
Shut up.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Not bad, not bad. Now you.
Damn, girl, what you saying? What you saying, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, she went to shot. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What it is?
Nice.
Once more!
Harry Maguire!
What? What?
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
What is that? What the fuck? Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
Hey, that's pretty good.
One eternity later.
Yes! 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 Yes!
What is that? What the fuck?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Let's go.
Hey, bro.
Oh my God! Do it! Just do it! What? What the?
Talo.
Next.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Damn, girl. What you saying? What you saying, huh? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Tu dis, passez-moi deux jambes crochet à gauche, à droite, Kylian et Mbappé.
One kiss is all it takes.
Hey, that's pretty good.